Okay, let's talk about non-decreasing array. So you are given the integer array and then you compare the value, and which is non-decreasing, right? But you can delete at most one element or modify the element. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward until like remove equal to 2, right? And let's check about this example: 3, 2, 4, 2, and 3. So when I equal to 2, right? So you can see this is not a non-decreasing array because 2 and 3 is actually below 4. So what you should do is you actually need to compare. So compare what? So if 2 is less than 3 and 3 is less than 4, you return false because this could be 3, right? You don't want to compare 2 and 3. You want to compare these 2 and these 3. So it doesn't matter for the index here, right? So this will return false if you understand. So nums and I minus 2, which is greater than num star I, and also num star I minus 1 is greater than num star I plus 1. You return false, right? So just make sure you know the constraint. So we're starting from 1 to the n. So when you have different situation, so you will say I minus 2, which is greater or equal to 0. This is another constraint you need to check. And I plus 1, right? We don't care about I minus 1 because I minus 1 is always greater than I minus 2. So I plus 1 has to less than num star length. And I use the n, and then that would be your solution. Let's just run it. Okay. Good, right? Okay. Okay, it's pretty good, right? So let's talk about time and space. So for the space, is nothing. It's all of 1, right? Or constant. And for the time, you are traversing every single element in the array, so it's all of n, right? All of n. The problem is to check every single condition, like I minus 2, for example, this one. I minus 2 greater than nums I, and then nums I minus 1 greater than nums I plus 1. That is the constraint. And I think that would be it, and I hope you understand, and peace.